Hello everyone, welcome to Persian Cuisine. Today we're going to make Adasi, which is a lentil soup. It's very traditional, very nutritious, and it's very easy to make. The first ingredient is lentils. I have soaked them overnight, and then after you're just going to massage the lentils gently with your hand, and you can see all the skin is coming to the surface. The reason you do that is because you do not want to consume the skins, because that is the cause of gas. It basically, if you don't soak it and you don't get rid of the skins, you are going to be very flatulent. Then you pass it through the strainer. And you have to make sure there is no rocks, no sand, no residue, and the white bowl is completely clean. Here are the rest of the ingredients. I have onions, parsley, garlic, lemon, potatoes, salt, pepper, turmeric, and cumin. And I have dry mint here, and of course we do have olive oil, extra virgin cold pressed olive oil. Now we're going to add the olive oil to the pot, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. And then I'm going to add the onions and we gently fry it. You have to stir the onions occasionally just to make sure that all of them are going to stir and fry evenly. Now that we see our onions are caramelizing and changing the color, I'm going to add the sliced garlic. The next thing is adding the salt, pepper, turmeric, and cumin to the pot. Because once you add the spices, they infuse and you get a much better aroma off of the spices. And now I'm going to take some of this for the garnish, and I'm going to add the lentils to the pot. The next thing is adding boiling water to cover the lentils. Not too much water, just enough to cover the lentils. Give it a good stir. Make sure everything is combined very well. And now I have 2 small red potatoes. I'm going to add it here. I bring it to boil, and after it starts to boil, I'm going to reduce it to medium heat and let it cook for half an hour. In a separate pot, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Then we're going to add the garlic and onions. Once gently fried, I'm going to add the dried mint to it. That's for the garnish. I'm going to add the dry mint to the garlic and onion and just turn it off, and here we go. Done. This is the garnish. I have some lemons here. I'm going to cut it and juice the lemons to add it to this. I have this very old friend of mine. It's from Philips. I have it for more than 30 years and still working perfect. Old stuff lasts for a long time. There we go. Here is the lemon juice. Our adasi is ready. I'm going to turn off the stove and put it aside. Now it's time to plate. Our adasi is ready. Now it's time to garnish. I'm going to add the chopped parsley, the lemon juice, and this is our fried onion, garlic, and mint. I'm going to add it to the center and a little bit of olive oil. Our very delicious adasi is ready. This is the very famous Persian lentil soup. You can have it with flatbread, you can have it for breakfast or as a snack. It's healthy, it's very nutritious. If you have any questions, please let me know. I appreciate your support. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bon appetit. Noosh jan. Till next video. Bye for now.